Yes, sir. You already know this your boy B Hayes. We back with another one. Let's go ahead and get right into it. You know, we don't have to waste nobody's time. Before we do that, let's give this video a thumbs up so it can reach more people. Today we'll be touching bases on Globalstar. That's ticker symbol GSAT. We talked about this stock a few times on the channel, so we ain't gonna go too much in depth. We're gonna go in and just go over the chart, look at the resistance, look at the support, and see what this thing headed for the short term and long term. So if we look at the chart, we down 8%, 8.6% today. We opened at 145. The high was 145. The low was 130. The 52-week high was 298. The 52-week low was 27 cents. So Globalstar, we've been on a nice downward trend for the past week, even when the market was recovering. When we had a market correction on March 5th, even as the market was recovering, Globalstar still didn't really recover as well as the other stocks. So it's been, this little creeper. It's most definitely going to recover, but it's having a slow recovery than everyone else. So let's check it out, y'all. I had told y'all in the previous video that we had a nice support around 130, around the 135, 138 range. We broke through that support. So since we broke through that support, the next place we could be testing is possibly the low that we could hit this 119. And if we don't hold 119, we're going straight to the low $1 range, around 102, 101. Right there, we got a nice strong support at $1. If we don't hold $1, this thing gonna fall and crash straight around 80 cents, 83 cents. And that might be the lowest point. That's the lowest I think this thing could possibly go before we see a nice upward trend back on Globalstar is 80 cents. It possibly can start having a reverse from around this 130 range in between 90 cents and 130. Right now is a good load up zone. I hope y'all offloaded some of your shares because I did. Right now, let me go ahead and share my position with y'all. I'm down in Globalstar right now, and I was down more actually, but I had sold some of my position so I can buy back in at a lower price around the low ones, or if this thing even try to tank to the cents around 80, 90 cents. So we got a total cost of $881. The average price is $165. The last price of $133, and we down $171 right now. I think we was down before we sold some of our shares. We had about $1,200 invested in Globalstar, and we was down about I think like $230, somewhere up in that range, before we offloaded about $500 worth of shares that we're going to buy back, but we waiting to get at a very, very cheap price so we can bring that average cost down from 166 or 165. So now let's go back and look at the chart. Let's see what we expecting on on Globalstar. So Globalstar, once we get through this little downward trend, as soon as we get back in the upward momentum, we have a resistance around. We got a nice resistance around $1.37. Once we break through $1.37, we could shoot straight back up to 146 quick. And then right here at around that 177, we have another strong resistance around 177, 175. Once we get up to those levels and bust through that, we can go to $2 quickly. And then we can retest that high that we hit on February the 17th, around $2.57. Because I want y'all to know, once Globalstar get back in the upward trend, get back in this bullish mode, this thing is going to fly. It's going to fly quick. I know y'all remember the first time when it was in this bull run, how fast this thing was moving. So once this reversal come around, and it will, this thing is going to fly and fly quick. I say a good entry point for a Globalstar will be right around 120s and the 120s, and then hold some firepower in case this thing pull all the way back to $1. I get some more, then I save me some more firepower just in case it want to pull all the way back to around 85 cents. I load up some more, and we'll slingshot and ride this thing all the way back up to around. We'll ride this all the way up to around $3. We can ride this baby all the way up to around $3 and offload 50%, 75% of our position and ride the rest of our shares free on house money. So that's all I got for y'all this video. I just want to give y'all a quick update on Globalstar, let y'all know what's going on with that. We post this type of content every single day. Consider joining the family. It's your boy B Hayes. We out. I love y'all. God bless.